Computer shortcut keys. MS Office, MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint.
Control N new document. Control O open document. Control S save document. Control P print document. Control C copy. Control X cut. Control V paste. Control Z undo. Control Y redo. Control A select all. Control F find. Control H replace. Control B bold. Control I italic. Control U underline. Control P open print dialog. Control F2 print preview. Control F3 cut to the spike. Control F4 close the active document. Control F5 restore the document window size. Control F6 switch between open documents. Control F7 activate the spelling and grammar check. Control F8 extend a selection. Control F9 insert an empty field. Control F10 maximize the document window. Control F11 lock a field. Control F12 open the to save as dialog box. Control arrow keys move to the edge of data region. Control space select entire column. Control Shift plus select entire row. Control minus insert new worksheet. Control Shift $ delete the selected cells. Control Shift % apply currency format. Control Shift hashtag apply percentage format. Control ESV apply date format. Control D paste special. Control R fill right. Control Enter insert a new slide. Control M insert a new slide in slide sorter view. Alt Shift left arrow promote a paragraph. Alt Shift right arrow demote a paragraph. Control Shift plus insert a new slide. Control D duplicate the selected slide. Control E center align text. F5 start the presentation. Control F5 start the presentation from the current slide.